Bronco heavy-duty winches are offered in sizes ranging from 1,500 all the way up to 6,000 pounds. These winches are available with either a synthetic rope or a steel cable, and are offered in wireless or wired controls. Along with that, Bronco winches come standard with a fully sealed waterproof motor and a heavy-duty 3-stage planetary gear system. Every Bronco winch kit includes a quick connect wiring kit, a universal mounting plate with all hardware needed, a fairlead roller, and a detailed instruction sheet. Visit broncoatv.com for our full listing.